In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can search Pinterest by image. Okay, so you may not know this, but if you go ahead and click on a pin from within your homepage or anywhere else for that matter on Pinterest, let me just choose a random pin like this one right over here. If I go ahead and click on the pin, it's going to load the pin page where you can read about the pin and have the link and all that stuff. But if you scroll down on this pin, you can see at the bottom right hand corner is this little search icon. If you go ahead and click on that search icon, that's going to bring up the pin and you can select a certain area of the pin where you want to go ahead and search by image. So let me just select this area, like for example, like over here, and then it's going to load up some more ideas over here. And that would be basically how you're searching Pinterest by image. It's going to load up a whole bunch of related images based off what you selected in this image in the main pin over here. And then it's going to give you some additional pins that you can go ahead and look at and get some more ideas from. And you can see they're pretty much all related. So that would be how you can search Pinterest by image. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.